On then. Close, close. We'll try our next attempt. See if we can make that one. One on video, one on vlog, dog. See that? Oh, you mean? What do you mean?
Six. You know about this going on.
Yo, what's good, guys? Morning. Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back. Right now I'm gonna play some basketball right now. Regular routine. Not really every week. Regular weekend. We play basketball, like just to get like exercise in, you know, to maintain the body. So, they're the court right now. They have two players up on the court. I don't know if you can see them, but I'm sure you're good. Yeah, that's the court. So I have a ball right or so. So I'm gonna play some ball. So yeah, stay tuned and we check back with you a little bit. Yeah, babe, so right now I'm gonna play some basketball. I'm gonna show you how I play. You're gonna see it. So stay tuned. Yeah. Alright. Cool, everything still. But yeah, is it? Alright. Think can I make a shot? One shot. See if we can make that shot. See that. Oh, close. On then. Close, close. We'll try our next attempt. See if we can make that one. One on video, one on vlog, dog. See that? Oh, you mean? What do you mean? In there. Straight. Yep, that's what it is. Session 2, let's get it. Perfect. That's what this was. Yeah. Exercise is good. Fitness. Workout. So, the normal sport. We did all they can do. So, yeah. And it was good. Right now it's just me alone. Yeah. What stuff I'm gonna have to go wash. Go do some cleaning up, clean up my room and thing. Yeah, so then I go. But I know kind of tired. I call it a day right now. So see it. I just spend like about 20 minutes. I come like walking, jogging or something. For 20 minutes. But yeah, well, it was good. Sun kind of help. Can't see the sweat in my face. Oh, but you know, pale hot in a man, but it a pale dog. So yeah, that's it. Stay tuned for the vlog I go post today. So that's it, up and out. Let's try to see if we can get a good thumbnail for the video. Yeah, so ready. See how this will go. Try to see if we can take one. If one I also take one, so it's probably both the place. But anyway, we see how this will go. See? Yeah, probably like this. I think we can throw the wall behind me. You go up in there. See if. Nope. I'm just playing around here. Alright, let's go. Gotta get out of here. I have a lot of stuff for them. A lot of errands to run. So yeah, wash my hand and thing. Be hygienic. Always stay clean. You'll get sick. I mean, I want that. So yeah, alright peeps.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul